Yo guys, what's good? So, in this video I'll be showing you how to trade meme coins in under 5 minutes, literally a speedrun, okay? After this video you will know, you will be ready to go, you understand? You can make money off meme coins directly. I was in fucking e-commerce, dropshipping, futures, everything, and nothing has worked ever out for me besides meme coins, so I know what I'm talking about, guys, okay? I will show you my PNLs right now. This is only 1 month, okay? Like this month. And we're on the 18th. So I'm telling you this is really free. So first of all, you go to phantom.com. This is the wallet where all your money will be on. Choose your browser, Chrome. This is a speedrun, by the way, guys, okay? So I will be doing everything as quick as possible. You can watch the video in slow motion if I'm too fast. Just follow my steps and you will be ready to go after this video. I watched hundreds of videos when I was starting and I didn't understand shit. So create new wallet because you don't have a wallet. Create recovery first. Choose a password real quick. Bang, bang. Now you save up this. This is the important step. You save this, like I don't know, just write it down on a paper. Don't show it nobody, okay? If you saved it, continue. Choose your username. Now, bam, we have our Phantom wallet account. So you may think, oh, how do I buy this, how do I buy that? First of all, you need Solana. To buy Solana, you go on buy Solana, let's say $100. You can pay with MoonPay, credit card, debit card, PayPal, and bank transfer. So I think you should have at least one of them. Let's say you already have some Solana on your account and you want to start trading. So we need a trading platform, you know? You go on exactly this site. By the way, this Phantom and this site will be in my description. So you don't click on any scam links or something because this is really important in crypto. You need to be careful. Start trading. Connect with Phantom. Continue. Continue. Verify as a human. Continue. Continue. Yeah, continue, yeah. So if you are here, this is the trading platform where you will be buying and selling every meme coin. Basically, if you are on this step right now, you're basically ready to go. Now you just have to go to my Discord, go to filters. As you can see, new pass, final switch, and migrate. I have the best filters in the game, okay? Nobody has better than me. You go on filters. Wait, I have it. Oh, just click new pass, download, open it, copy all. Oh my god, what the fuck is this, nigga? Copy all. Go on here, on this filter, import, copy paste, apply. As you can see, already looking better. Do the same with everything. I will just copy and paste from. I will just copy and paste it from my fucking downloads because I already have it downloaded. So to get it faster done, bang, 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 bang. So when you have everything imported, now you need trackers, wallet tracker. This is also on my Discord. This is something like you need to track good people, you know, like good wallets, people that make a lot of money with this. Copy paste all from my Discord, of course. Import, paste, bang. You have every single wallet, every single good wallet. Like send it. Like look at this guy. This guy already made this month $140K. Yeah, now the last step you need to know before to start trading is this. You go to random coin, you open instant trade, this should pop up. You click on this, Now you can set up how much amount you want to buy. Like I would recommend you something like this as a beginner. Bang. And now the important step are the filters. So you just click on P1 and this. Just copy my settings, okay? I will do it fast. Just slow down the video. Bang, 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 bang. It should look like this. Now you're ready to go, guys. As you can see this, when you see something like this means a good person that you are tracking in your tracked list is buying a coin. Then something like this should pop up. If you want to buy a coin, just press here, here, here. You know, I don't have Solana right now on this account, but yeah, this is how easy it is. I hope I could help you guys, and yeah, good luck. And join my Discord for everything. Like I have everything. If you have questions, also DM me on Discord. Deals.solana. This is my account. Bye bye.